Despite ongoing concerns over a floating platform spotted near Bajo de Masinloc, it's business as usual for Filipino fishermen in the area. Authorities continue to closely monitor the structure, which is believed to have been brought there by Chinese research vessels. Patrick De Jesus tells us more.
Filipino fishermen continue to freely venture out to sea around Scarborough Shoal or Bajo de Masinloc. This is despite the continued presence of the movable floating platform, which was first monitored last month and is suspected to have been brought in by two Chinese research vessels.
As of this time, we haven't heard any reports from Filipino fishermen that they're being harassed or they were intimidated by these people who are there inside Bajo de Masinloc. Once again, I would like to reiterate that Bajo de Masinloc only has a distance of 119 nautical miles from Palawig, Zambales, while it has an approximate distance of 500 nautical miles away from Hainan, the People's Republic of China.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has already been informed about the floating platform in Bajo de Masinloc, wherein the Philippines has previously filed a diplomatic protest against China.
Alam po ng Pangulo ang nangyayari at nanatili pong malinaw ang kanyang paninindigan na unahin ang paggamit ng diplomatiko at legal na hakbang sa pagharap ng ganitong klaseng sitwasyon. Alam po natin ano ang totoong stance ng Pangulo pagdating sa interes ng mga Pilipino at interes din natin dito sa ating West Philippine Sea.
For now, authorities say the floating platform installed by China may be intended for marine scientific research and could potentially damage the marine environment.
It's either magbubuta sila, basically nagagalaw yung seabed, yung corals, everything. Kaya nga meron tayong doon sa Department of Foreign Affairs request for them, telling them to pull out and remove this floating platform. Dahil again, unang-una, tayo lang dapat ang gumagawa ng marine scientific research dito dahil territory natin ito. Aside from it being within the exclusive economic zone ng Pilipinas.
Meanwhile, a majority of Filipinos favor the Philippines working together with like-minded nations in protecting the West Philippine Sea. Based on a Pulse Asia survey conducted in May and commissioned by the Strat-Based Institute involving 1,500 respondents nationwide, 86% believe allied countries provide significant support in asserting the Philippines' rights and sovereignty, with the highest level of support recorded in Mindanao. The survey also found out that the United States is the most trusted partner among respondents, garnering 84%, followed by Japan, Australia, Canada, and South Korea. Patrick De Jesus.